Hello, you are welcome again as we come to the conclusion of our swing trading. In this, we are going to be learning about strategy. What is the strategy that is best suited for swing trading? Okay, first thing first, we have to take into consideration our market structure and signal. Number two, we'll be looking at when to trade, okay, and how many pairs to trade. Then lastly, we'll be looking at our risk management. Market structure and signal, like we have already learned repeatedly in this channel about smart money concept. Okay, market is bullish in this scenario, making pullback, price take inducement, then break of structure, this low is confirmed, pull back again, price take the inducement, this high is confirmed, then the same scenario for this place, price take inducement, break of structure, inducement is confirmed, then price take the inducement, then price come to the extreme structure to take out the liquidity. So we already know our market structure, just simple as ABC: identify inducement, identify break of structure, just like that. We already know our market structure. Okay, the first, what is the next thing there? What is the signal we are going to be looking for? So the signal we'll be looking for, the first thing first is what price will do when it gets to take out the inducement after break of structure. So there are sometimes price will give our entry signal there at inducement. We will take it and then make an entry there to take out this high point that will not be confirmed. I've explained this severally. Please watch our previous videos. Then there's also market structure liquidity. So the market structure liquidity, price can come to the main structure low in a bullish scenario. In a bullish scenario we are seeing right now, okay, price can come to the main structure low, take out this low point, give us our entry, then we enter to ride with what? With the market trend. As of right now, the signal we'll be looking for when market is buying, this is the signal I want you to give us for morning star. And we can have this in two scenarios. First thing first, this morning star can come when price is at inducement. When price take out inducement and we have this type of morning star candlestick pattern, what we have to do is just to set our position sizing there, then take it and then buy. Then what if we have it at what? At our market structure liquidity. When price take out the main structure low point and form a morning star candlestick pattern there, what do? We also make an entry there and target this May high point. That is our entry for when market is bullish. Then what if when market is bearish, that the price market structure is bearish, price is selling? What do? We are looking for evening star candlestick pattern. For evening star candlestick pattern, we want price to get our inducement. Okay, we want price to get our inducement for evening star candlestick pattern. Then price get to the inducement, give us our entry, we take. Price get to our market structure liquidity, give us our entry, you also do what? We take it. That is how to use this signal. Then there are some times we have this IFC candlestick. I've explained it also in previous videos, especially for day trading. Please make sure to check that out. IFC, institutional funding candlestick. If we have this type of candlestick at our inducement point, we take it. Then if we have it also at our market liquidity, that's market structure liquidity, we also take it. For buying, then this one is for selling. I hope this is very clear and easy to understand. Okay, now we come to our next point. What is when to trade and how many pairs to trade? Our major purpose of coming for swing trading is to do what? To have that time freedom, more money, and do what? And then we'll be able to live. That is one major reason why swing trading is very, very attractive three major reasons. There are a lot of reasons. Those are the three major reasons swing trading is very attractive. Then you may want to ask the question, when to trade? Because in day trading, you have to be looking at your chart at a particular time, always worrying how your trade is going to play out, all those things, because you are trading smaller time frame, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, all of those things. But with swing trading, we want to know, when do we check trade? As for me, there is no particular time for you to check your trade. It's only when it's convenient for you. And in day trading, we're talking about London and New York session. Okay, so and also Asian session, which is Asian session, London session, and New York session. So it depends on where you are located. It depends on you. If you are using the 4-hour time frame, as your major higher time frame to mark out your market structure. Even when you see entry there, you can take it. What you can do is, based on your time, based on the country you are located, you can check your chart in the morning before going to work. Check it out, mark it out, and then when you see price giving you any of those hour entry there, you can take it, set your trade, forget, leave. However it plays out, it's none of your concern, because you are going to put a lot of parameters in place to secure profit. Even when you are in loss, you will also be profitable. Now, when to trade is up to you. Select the time that is convenient for you. For me, I usually check my trade once in a day. In the morning, before going to work and doing any other thing, I'll just check them, check my chart, check all the trade, anyone that meets my criteria, good. Because in a day, since I'm using a 4-hour time frame, in a day, price will print out 6 4-hour candlesticks. Okay, so when I check in the morning, at least previous day would have printed out 6 4-hour candlestick. Then I will check what is going to likely happen for the day. If price meets my entry, good. If it doesn't, I'll wait for next trade and opportunity. Next point here is, how many pairs are we going to trade? Because to be truthful, if you are using one pair to trade when you are day trading, okay, but when you come to swing trading, you have to check a lot of pairs, because you are using higher time frame like the 4-hour or the daily time frame. Price will be very slow to give you your type of entry. So looking at one pair may not be advisable, except you have a lot of strategy you are applying. But since in this free video I'm making, since you have only 2 entry points, at inducement, which is at IDM, and at market liquidity, which is market structure liquidity, since these are just the 2 entry signal you have to be looking at many pairs as possible. So for forex, I look at 30 pairs. For me, for forex, I look at about 30 pairs, from Euro USD down to NZD USD. I hope you can see them. That's just it. So what I usually do, I will just, in the morning, I will go to my Euro USD, on the chart. I'll just check them out. So this is how I trade. In the morning, I will check out my chart. Since I don't see any signal here, because everything price is doing here is just making internal structure, and I'm not good at trading that already. I want price to come to this low point, take it out. This high point will then be confirmed. Then I'll be looking for my entry again. Okay, since price is not giving me any of those things now, I don't have anything to do with Euro USD on 4-hour time frame. I will now rotate this and go to the other pairs available. I'll go to Euro USD, wait for it to load up. Then I can zoom in also, you see. So when I zoom in, what am I expecting price to do here? I want price to come to this inducement point. Probably it can give him an entry there, but if it doesn't, I want price to come to this extreme order block. Then if I see my entry there, I will take it and sell with this trade. If my entry is not here, good. If my entry is here, I will take it. But the entry I have here is only for my VIP members, okay? Why? Because entering directly at order block is very dangerous. You also need some signal you have to look up to use to trade it. So there are 2 major signals you can expect here. Either price will come, but for this to be more more logical. You see one price to go down a bit, then come and take out inducement. If we have our signal here, we can sell this trade. But if it doesn't, price can also come to this extreme, take out, this is the market structure, right? So price can take out this market structure high point, give us our entry, and then we can also do what? Sell this trade. Or price will just do another change of character, which is price will not be moving upward. But currently GBP/USD is what is selling, so we want to find a way to sell along with it. That's just how I trade. If I don't see any signal there, I will go to my next one, odd USD. That's AUD USD. You can see what price is just doing on AUD USD. I've marked everything out. If I see my entry there, I take. If I don't, I leave it and go to the next one. Okay, that is how I marked out my chart every day, just in the morning on the 4-hour time frame. And then if I don't see anything, I wait for the next day before I trade. I hope this is helpful to you. So let's go to the next one. Now, if you are trading crypto also, we know that each available point, which is each available folder for free, that is available for free on the trading view, contains 30 pairs. Okay, so for my crypto, you see I have 30 pair here, I have 30 pair there, I have 30 here, 30 here, 30 here. So if you multiply 30 times 5, we are going to have 150. So I can be looking at a lot of pairs, like looking at these crypto pairs on the 4-hour time frame. In the morning, I will just come search for. So I will just come look at my 4-hour time frame. If I see an entry there, I take it. If there's no one, I will just leave it and let it play out. You can do your mathematics. You can just do your mathematics, looking at 150 pairs, crypto pairs every day, just one time in a day. Like in the morning before I go to work, I will just check my forex pairs 30, my crypto pairs 150. Then I can look for those synthetic pairs also, volatility 75, step index, all those things. I have about 15 of them or 18. I will just look at them, and then everything on the 4-hour time frame. There is no way that a week will pass by or 2 weeks will pass by that I will not receive a signal, 1 or 2 signals or 3 signals. In fact, sometimes 5 signals. Then you have some winning, you have some losses. But if you stick to the risk management that we are going to go through in the next topic right now, you will see that you'll be profitable. Now, this is just a glimpse into my mentorship program, Playbook TTM on Discord. Okay, I've given out 2 free signals you can use as an entry to trade. Then if you want more of the signals to use to trade, but one thing is sure, the market structure remains the same. I have analyzed that. Even when you come to my mentorship program, the market structure remains the same. There is no other way to market structure, no other secret. Everything I've revealed for free on my YouTube channel. So if you want to come to my mentorship program, all you are paying for is to be able to ask questions, personal questions, more guidance. Okay, and secondly, for these other entry models, which is this my entry models. For the entry models, I have entry model there. Then if you want to trade all of the pairs, there's also one particular model. I call it one model for all. That's OMFA. You coming into it, you see all of the things you have to see, how you can use this signal, this and that. Everything we analyze with YouTube videos on how to follow up accordingly. Then that's for that. There are also case studies of each of these things you can easily learn. Then for the entry models, everything I've analyzed on there. Like when you come to the entry models, you will see what price is doing at inducement. You will see different chart pattern, what to do when price gets to a particular level. When price gets to inducement, you know what to do. When price gets to the additional order block, you know what to do. After price made break of structure, there are some kind of pattern that repeat itself. The same market structure I've taught for free, they repeat themselves. After change of character, they repeat themselves. You just have to check it and see that, okay, this happened before, there's very high probability this will also happen again. This type of market structure can also happen again. Then there's what we call S2D, D2S reversal. That's a flip zone. All those things are just, that's an entry model. Also, the ones I've given for free is this major high or low liquidity sweep, continuation entry, and this inducement. So I've given out this inducement one for free. If you come to the VIP membership, the same thing for free. Okay, the same thing I've taught for free. There is the same thing that I said. This inducement is very effective. This market structure liquidity, very effective. Then this what price will do at the addition of that block, you need to know those ones specifically. What price will do after break of structure. There are some kind of market structure that are unique after break of structure, after change of character. Then this flip zone, very sweet also. Then you can also have to trade counter trend using higher time frame and lower time frame confluence. So all those things, they are in my VIP mentorship, just like that. So let's continue. Like I've just shown you that when to trade, everything is depending on you, the time that is convenient for you. Anywhere you are, just check your trade in the morning, check them out, all the pairs, maybe for forex, for any of the financial market, you can check them out. And then how many pairs, the more pairs the better, because you are passing everything through a system that it is what that system will show to you on any of the financial market. That is what you are going to do, what you are going to take. So just like modding block, and you have the block model like I've explained in previous video. Now it can be applied to all financial markets. Next thing we want to look at our risk management. Okay, for risk management, is like for personal accounts, you should raise 1 to 10%, which is if you have $1,000, for example, for one particular trade, you can decide to raise 1%, and 1% will be worth $10. This is just $10 for $1,000 or $1,000 in when you are using 1%. You can also decide to use 10. That is going to be $1,000. The 10% of $1,000 is worth $100. Hope you get it. But when you are using prop firm accounts, prop firm account, they give you $100,000, for example, you should use 0.1% to 1%. And you know that 0.1% of $1,000 is going to give us, that 0.1% is going to give us about $100. Then 1% of it is going to, 1% is going to give us about $1,000. So you can easily know what to do, how to manage your risk, and all of those things. Okay, which is for this, like one of the major rules you have to follow is do not trade, do not apply signal in counter trend. Okay, always trade with the trend. What I'm trying to say here is this. For example, you will see that price will be making this type of structure in a bullish market. This is inducement. Price has taken inducement. There are sometimes you will not see your entry signal there, but nonetheless, price will still come and take out this high point. When price take it out, there are sometimes at this high point, you will see evening star candlestick pattern or IFC. You will see them. You will see the signal there. Why do you want to sell here? You are not selling here because if you do sell there, you are trading against the bullish trend. I hope this is very clear. So do not trade against the trend, except you are in my VIP mentorship, where I explain the ingredient and some things you have to look out for you to trade counter trend. All that is very understandable. So the next thing you have to do here is just practice, put in the work, put in the effort, all of those things. You can learn all these things for free, and trust me, you'll be very profitable. But if you want some guidance and you want more entry for you to have more, more trading opportunity within a week or within a month, that is when you can probably join my mentorship, and you subscribe, you ask your questions, personal guidance, all those things, they are there. I'll provide the effort, the mentorship and guidance you need. So, but if you don't have the wherewithal to join the mentorship program, I will advise you to do what? Put in the work, study, master these things and you will be glad you do. I hope this is very helpful to you and have a great time. Thank you.